Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your bills and expenses. Effortlessly track the bills you receive to ensure that they are correctly counted in your project's bottom line. For even greater tracking, associate the bill to a purchase order so that you can cross-reference all bills against a single purchase order. This is great for times when the full order cannot be delivered at once. Generating a bill is fast and simple. Import items from purchase orders and subcontracts directly into the bill's accounting module. This way, there are fewer mistakes, less time, and more productivity. Easily generate multiple bills against a subcontract to manage partial work completed. Do you use QuickBooks for your accounting? When a bill is paid, it is associated with the purchase order and syncs over to QuickBooks. No more double entry. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage your bills and expenses.